In this course, we will use an Introduction to Complex Function Theory by Bruce Palka. So just to take a quick look at this book on Amazon's page, I'm using Amazon Canada. So the book is $78. You don't need to purchase the book to follow along with this course, but if you have it, that's good. If you have another text that you can use for exercises and so on, that's also good. I know some people might favor Gamelin or Alfors or Silverman or any other, but this is the one that I will use for this course. So just to take a quick look through the topics. It's pretty comprehensive, at least for a first course in complex function theory. So it begins with the complex number system, and the second chapter is on the rudiments of plane topology, so just point set topology. We're not going to go through that chapter because that chapter is more there as a reference, so could be referred to as needed. Chapter 3, analytic functions, is in some sense where the course really starts. So it goes through complex derivatives, Cauchy-Riemann equations, and differentiability, and so on. We then go on to complex integration and Cauchy's theorem and its consequences. And in this course, we do aim to finish the entire book, which is pretty ambitious and isn't typical of a one semester course. Usually a one semester course might end where chapter 5 of this book ends, but we want to continue on and explore harmonic functions, sequences and series of analytic functions, isolated singularities, conformal mapping, and go all the way up to analytic continuation. So I hope you enjoy this course.